another video. Alright guys, so as y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be doing a interesting video / challenge video. So what we have here, we have a bunch of drinks, right? We have 4 drinks and we have 2 alcohol drinks. We have alcohol. Y'all know last video that contained neat alcohol did not go so good. Okay?
Yeah. So you better try not to drink today.
We're gonna try y'all. We're gonna try.
Your ass. Yeah.
Whatever. Okay, so guys, I don't know if y'all remember this little device here that we have.
They probably don't, because we gained a lot of subscribers since we last did that video. So
true. So if y'all want to see that video, we're going to link it in the description below. That was a very funny video, guys. Very funny. So basically this is like a pain relief device here. So like if you have any type of pain, neck pain, back pain, arm pain, you put this on. It's kind of like one of those little sticky machines that they put on you in the hospital. You put this on your arm and it got like a massage. It has like massage. Has like, it feels like someone's like, you know, doing like this to you.
Yeah.
And you know, it rolls and all that stuff. It feels good, honestly. We're gonna hook this machine up to both of us actually. So I'm gonna hook this machine up to JaVon, and I'm going to turn it to not too high, but like in the middle. And basically what it's gonna do is it's going to flex his muscles in his arm or wherever I put it at. So I could put it here and it's gonna flex his muscles in his hand or wherever.
It's gonna get tense, I think, right?
Yeah, it's gonna get tense and it's gonna kind of, you know,
force the hand to close. If your hand is open, it's gonna like force the hand to close.
Exactly.
So the goal of this video is to try to keep her hand from closing. That's why we have this drink. So when we're drinking it, as I said, it's no force her hand to close or whatever. So pretty much this is my hand. Say my hand like this. It's gonna be like this. My hand it's gonna force her hand to like
do some weird crap.
Yeah.
It's gonna
so the goal of this video is to see how long can we hold these drinks. Not really hold long. We're gonna time ourselves 10-20 seconds. See how long we can hold the drinks in the hand without you know, dropping it.
We're gonna get straight into this, guys. Here we have watermelon Amsterdam. We have Hennessy. We have an orange Gatorade. We have Lipton iced tea peach. We have a brisk strawberry melon and a brisk sweet tea. Y'all know that one's for me, of course. But alright guys, we're gonna get straight to this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we post any and all videos. All the links in the description below. Let's get straight to this video.
Let's go.
Ready? That's 2 out of 3.
Alright, 2 out of 3. Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You don't do that. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, let's go. Nice. You go first. Come on, let's go.
We still got a 3rd one.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it do.
It doesn't matter.
We're going to 3.
It doesn't matter. I want 2. It's 1 more.
Exactly.
It's gonna be 2-1 if you win.
It don't matter. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
2-1. It doesn't matter. I still win.
I don't care, but I still want my wins. So you gotta put it on me first.
So this is cool. You gotta direct me though.
Okay, so take it out the box.
You know, I go first.
No, come on.
Cause I don't know do this thing, bro.
Man, I'm gonna show you. Come on, take it out the box.
Inside of it, look. You supposed to do it on me.
No, I lost, so I go first.
You can go first. Cause I don't do this thing, bro.
This is way here. Okay, so we have the little machine here. Boom. We have the plug to plug the machine and the pads together. And these are the little sticky pads right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are the sticky pads. So now it's connected to the machine here.
I put it on you, right?
No, I'm putting it
I put it
on
on you.
You just said you wanted to.
No, I want you to set it up for me.
This boy here.
Alright, here we go.
Ew. So we're just gonna use this one.
Alright, where everybody do you put it?
Wherever you want to put it.
Wherever it's gonna work, you gonna hold the juice?
Right here.
Like right here?
I think so, yeah.
Where the next one go?
Wherever you want to go, baby.
Alright. Right there. I think this is the highest this can go to 6. So pick your juice. Huh?
I want this one.
Okay. Do the faster. Do the timer.
Alright, so
Alright guys, so as I said, let's go up to 6 rounds. Where's the time? Put your password in. We're gonna do 20 seconds. If she do not last within that 20 seconds, guys, she has to drink. Now if she lasts, don't drink, move it to my round. As simple as it. Alright guys, ready?
ready?
1, 2, 3, go. 20 seconds, guys.
Ah! Ah! Ooh! Ooh!
13, how you guys can see it?
Oh!
You're wasting the juice.
little bit that was coming out. So the goal is you have to drink it without spilling it. It's hard, guys. It really is, but you gotta try to fight it. If you don't, then you have to take a shot.
Okay. Alright guys, so she has to take a shot. Right? She said nothing has to spill in the whole. She said she ain't even drink nothing.
I ain't drink nothing, guys.
Literally, the whole top part is just wasted. Okay.
Yo, this stuff's
You drinking the
strong.
Hennessy?
I don't want that Amsterdam. That shit nasty. What's the shot? That's a shot?
That's cool, man. That's cool.
That's cool. Alright, guys. I got my shot of Henny. Open it, because I'm going to chase it. I got juice all over shoes.
Wow. Alright. Alright, we gonna see how this stuff work, man.
Yo. So I'm gonna put yours like right here.
Chalk already, bro.
Ooh.
I'm already chalk.
And probably here. Come on, guys. Alright.
That's how big boy thing this is. We're gonna see how this thing work. I'm too tall for this. I'm up to crouch here, but it'll scoot over.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna turn one juice. So the goal is for me not to spill it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Wait, I'm already feeling pain!
Ready, set, go. It's on 10. Y'all, he trying to fight it, y'all. Oh, that ain't. Look at look, she there.
I almost jumped at the end.
Really?
Here's the thing, it's going in and out.
Yeah.
So when it stopped, it gives me enough time to grip it. Alright guys, sorry for the little intermission right there guys. We're still trying to figure this out, so bear with us guys. But alright, let's see at the last one I was able to last it. I don't think I really want to count it, but
That's because he was fighting me, y'all.
I was fighting.
My little
But
ass.
we're gonna go round two. This is round two right here guys, so ready? Get your drink. Alright.
So I got all 4 of them on me.
All
just so
4
that-
guys. He said the people want pay for me.
Even though he needs to be the one with all 4 of them, me too is good.
This one's coming off.
I feel like I'm getting a procedure done or something.
Alright guys.
I'm
Ready?
scared.
Wait. You see something?
Yeah, that right there.
Hey, real, okay. You see something?
Yeah.
Alright guys, ready? I'm gonna start time. Ready?
Okay.
Let go!
Mother. Black.
Not even 20, not even 8 seconds, bro. You missed the whole shoe. Oh my god, man, you gonna waste it. We ain't got no juice.
Yeah, I felt that. What'd you do? Don't show me. Here, your turn now.
I'll take a shot.
Ah.
I'll do 2 more. Cause I don't want to call that first one. Take a shot. Take a shot. Shot. Let's go. Shot. Ooh, no. Hell no. Hell. Oh.
Yeah, I'm finna be drunk. I ain't eating all day.
Hell you ain't. So I turn take it. Alright, come on, put this thing on me, bad girl. Thing on me. Time is there. Yeah, wait.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Oh, man, this is a drop.
Oh gosh. What that feel like, boo?
Ooh, I felt that one. It was cool, then it went to
Shot.
One more.
Damn, baby. You got the whole bottle in that bitch.
One more.
No, that's a lot.
Who? my chest.
Oh gosh, I already feel it.
Ready?
No.
Good.
Ah!
Alright, let's go. Ready? You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Start the timer. What are you doing? Oh, you're just wasting juice, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Was it that bad?
I'm fucking dry.
It was not bad?
Was it?
Well, I don't even want to put them in. So.
Oh gosh. Y'all, it's all in my Crocs. Anytime we do any video with liquid, I'm putting the Crocs on because I can just put them in the shower.
I don't even want to put these stuff on.
That's cool.
You sure?
Yeah. Alright, come
I'm
on.
gonna go drink. You gotta drink a shot.
What?
You dropped it. What you mean what?
Fucking
You
hell.
dropped it the first time. What you think it is? Look at these, baby.
Alright, I'll do this one.
I'm ready. I ain't dropping this one. I don't care if you go to 100. I ain't dropping this one.
God, I'm gonna drink my this shit. That shit look deadly as fuck. Alright. Third shot, y'all.
I ain't dropping this one. I ain't dropping this one at all.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's all the way. I ain't touching it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Yeah! God damn!
Hey, hey, hey!
Yeah, jump it. Yeah! Y'all, he's switching. Y'all, look at him.
Alright, stop it now.
You sure?
Yeah, stop it.
You sure? Okay.
You grab it, boom, boom, and stop playing here.
Did you just draw?
Sure.
Okay. Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. If y'all were entertained by us in this video concept, make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, comment in the comment section below. I took 3 shots, guys. I'm gonna go eat me some food before I be drunk and out of this game. Because y'all, me and being drunk, it's not gonna match. It's not gonna match.
Guys,
What you
we should definitely do a part 2. We need to figure out this stuff right here.
Yeah.
It's not, you know, it work for a minute, then you will like pause. We don't want to do that. We want to like work straight, no pause and nothing. So we might do a part 2 of this, guys. We need to figure it out. So yeah, this is a test round. So if you guys like it, let us know, comment down below. And otherwise, hey, like I say, man, appreciate it. Back on the ground. Let's go. We're gonna run this stuff to 10K this year. Let's go. Be the guy, we out.